The Incheon subway line operator serving the South Korean city of Incheon. The system is operated by the Incheon Transit Corporation. Line 1 is a 29.4 km north-south subway line. After 6 years of construction, the line opened for regular service on October 6, 1999, as the fourth subway system in South Korea after Seoul, Busan and Daegu. A trip along the line from Gyeongsang in the north to International Business District in the south takes approximately 57 minutes. The color of the line is light blue. The line uses 34 8-car trains. The first 25 trains were built between 1998 and 1999 by Daewoo Heavy Industries and Rotem, while the last 9 trains were built between 2007 and 2008 by Hyundai Rotem to provide trains following the extension of the line. Line 2 is a 29.1 km north-south light metro line. After 7 years of construction, the line opened for regular service on July 13, 2016. There are transfer points at Gyeongsang with AREX, Hwang with Seoul Subway Line 1, at Incheon City Hall with Incheon Line 1. Line 2 has above-ground sections north of Asia Stadium. The color of the line is orange. The line uses 37 2-car trains, all of which were built in 2013 by Hyundai Rotem. The future Line 3 is planned to be a circular line of the Incheon subway. It will intersect Seoul Subway Line 1 at Dowon Station and Incheon Subway Line 1 at Dongmak Station. The color will be light green. The system length is 58.5 km. Total number of the station is 56. Daily ridership is 244,000 of passengers.